In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Todoist API token in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to integrate Todoist with other apps or develop a custom solution for your productivity needs, having access to the API token is a crucial first step. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First off, we need to start with logging into your Todoist account. Navigate to the Todoist login page. You'll be greeted with a straightforward login screen. Here you should enter your email address associated with your Todoist account. Make sure it's the email you used to sign up or have set as your primary email in Todoist. After entering your email, the next step is to input your password. Be sure to type it correctly. Passwords are case sensitive and must be entered exactly as you set them. Sometimes it's the simple things that trip us up, so take a moment to ensure you've got it right. Once you've entered your credentials, click the login button to proceed. Upon successfully logging into your account, you will find yourself on the Today page. This is the heart of Todoist, where you can see tasks scheduled for today and navigate to different parts of the app. But our focus is elsewhere for now. Look for your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Your profile is your gateway to various settings and options within Todoist. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices, but what we're interested in is located within the settings. Click on Settings to open up a comprehensive view of your Todoist account settings. This area allows you to customize and adjust your Todoist experience. However, our target is a bit more specific. We're here for the API token, an important key for developers and integrators. Within the Settings pane, locate and click on the tab labeled Integrations. This section is designed for those looking to connect Todoist with other apps or services, offering a range of options for automation and integration. In the Integrations section, you'll find a subsection or link specifically marked for developers. This is where Todoist keeps the tools and information necessary for app development and API access. Click on Developer to proceed to the developer-centric area of the integration settings. Now, the moment we've been aiming for is nearly here. Inside the developer settings, you'll find a section or link titled API token. This token is essentially a unique key that grants access to your Todoist account through the API. It's what you'll use to authenticate and perform actions in Todoist from your app or integration. Clicking on API token will reveal your personal API token. Your API token is a sensitive piece of information. It's like a password for app development and integrations, allowing actions to be performed on your Todoist account from external applications. Therefore, it's crucial to keep it secure. Only share it with applications or developers you trust, and be mindful of where you store this token. That's it. You've successfully navigated to and located your Todoist API token. With this token in hand, you're ready to start integrating Todoist into your workflows, applications, or anything else you're developing. Remember, the API token serves as a key to your Todoist account for programming interfaces. Keep it safe and secure. Before wrapping up, a couple of quick tips. If at any point you believe your API token has been compromised, or you want to regenerate it for security reasons, you can easily do so from the same API token screen. Also, while experimenting with the API and integrations, always be mindful of the actions you're permitting in your Todoist account. It's best to start with test projects or tasks to avoid accidentally disrupting your important tasks and projects. And with that, you're all set on getting started with the Todoist API. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity setups, develop a custom solution, or simply learn more about APIs and integrations, accessing and using your Todoist API token is a fantastic stepping stone. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to a more connected and automated future with Todoist.